Joe with Northwest Roof Maintenance here. A question we get a lot is how much should my new roof cost? And there are 6 factors that determine the cost of your new roof. The first being the size of the roof. Square footage is the biggest contributing factor to how much your roof should cost. The second factor that determines how much your roof should cost is material grade. Now, materials are virtually identical in cost across manufacturers, but the big difference is which grade of shingle is best for you. The third factor is labor. Does your company have dedicated W-2 employees that are trained, background checked, in uniform, or do they use subcontracting crews that may be unknown and unaccountable? The fourth factor is insurance. Having the right insurance does affect how much your roof should cost. Each company should have workman's comp insurance and general liability insurance that is specific to roofing services. The fifth factor is overhead. Whether your company is small, medium, or large, the overhead of the company will affect how much your roof should cost. Having a dedicated service team to back up each project is essential. And that leads me to point 6, staying in business. The sixth factor in how much your roof should cost is profit margin. Over 80% of roofing contractors go out of business in the first 2 years and 90% by year 5. The biggest factor that contributes to this is profit margin. If your company is not able to obtain a healthy profit margin, they simply won't stay in business. And if they don't stay in business, who will honor your roof warranty? I hope this helps in determining how much your roof should cost. Have a great day.